Hi, this is Carrie from Green Valley Garden Center. I'd like to talk to you about some specialty begonias we offer. And they come in a bunch of different styles. Our regular begonias are called non-stop begonias. Those are the ones with the big gorgeous flowers that kind of mound and stay small and are directional. So these ones I'm going to show you today are a little bit different. The first type is called the Selena begonia. Selena begonias sort of look like little roses, and they actually bloom in a cluster. So they have a very different look from the traditional begonia. They're very nice and will spill over a little bit, although they're not really a trailing begonia. We have red velvet and apricot in that type of begonia, and they are not blooming yet, but I am looking forward to it when they do, because those are always beautiful. The next are Iconia. This one's called Miss Malibu, which is a pinky color. This little guy is starting to put out just one little flower, although this isn't the full beautiful one that will come. Lots more will come. This one is called Portofino Sunrise. I don't know if you can see it, but it's a very unique flower with more than one color. That's similar to the Miss Malibu, and it is directional. You can see the direction of the leaves, so this is the direction it will grow and bloom. But it will make a beautiful addition to a little spot in your potter planter. Whopper begonias are not small. Whopper begonias grow big and tall, and they feature this lovely reddish leaf. They'd be like a dragon wing with a red leaf, but their habit is kind of different. I find they get very full and large. I always have one on my deck every year. And it grows like 2 feet tall and 2 feet wide, and it's just absolutely filled with these bright, cheery little flowers that just blow off in the wind, and it's really quite easy to maintain. Dragon wings are very similar, except they have a green leaf. They also get full on both sides, and if you just put one in a pot, it will just fill up and make like this little tiny tree. They also can grow about 2 feet tall. They enjoy sun. They can tolerate shade. They're very flexible plants. Begonias do not like being too wet. They will rot if they get too wet. So when I plant them in a pot or planter, I always hill them. So I'll put them, if I was planting this with an elephant ear, for example, I'd sink the elephant ear so most of the water would run to the thirsty one. And then I'd put my begonia on a little bit of a hill so that it won't rot at the base where the top of the soil. I hope that little tip helps you as you're planning your planters. I'm Carrie from Green Valley Garden Center.